Dear valuable customer, time to know your Honda BS6 vehicle. BS6 vehicle equipped with following features like advanced environment friendly technology, program fuel injection, improved performance with less emissions, malfunction indication lamp auto detects abnormality in PGM-FI system, enhanced smart power gives better combustion efficiency, silent start, no engine cracking sound on starting, idling stop system, engine gets off on red light. Get engine health report with engine performance assurance. High performance, less maintenance. Combi brake system which improves braking efficiency and reduces braking distance. Sealed type drive chain for longer chain life due to less wear and tear. 6 years warranty. High service intervals gives less maintenance cost as service gap increased to 6 months or 6,000 kilometers. Free service information. For free service, refer the table. Eligibility based on duration or distance covered, whichever is occurring early. Free service means no labor charges applicable for periodic maintenance jobs. Use Honda engine oil JASO MASAE 5W30 suitable for BS6 vehicles. Check and improve fuel mileage. Estimate your fuel mileage by using full tank method. Fill fuel tank up to filler neck and note initial odometer reading as A. Run vehicle for about 100 kilometers. Top up fuel up to filler neck and note filled quantity as B. Note final odometer reading as C. Calculate distance covered as D is equal to C minus A, and then calculate the mileage of your vehicle as M is equal to E divided by E. And finally, few tips for improving fuel mileage. Maintain correct tire pressure. Accelerate gradually and apply brake smoothly. Avoid keeping hand on clutch lever while riding. Prefer riding in economy range. Avoid abrupt gear shifting. Avoid filling fuel during hot afternoon.